In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a DocuSign document. Whether you're new to using electronic signatures or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you can complete your signatures with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the DocuSign website. As the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, DocuSign provides a platform that's both user-friendly and efficient. You can easily find them online at docusign.com, which serves as your gateway to managing your documents digitally. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. If you don't already have an account, this would be a great time to create one. You'll need an account to manage and sign documents, and setting one up is straightforward with just a few basic steps. After logging in, navigate to the DocuSign homepage. This page serves as your control center where you can manage all your documents. You'll find options for sending, receiving, and signing documents, making it a vital part of your DocuSign experience. Next, look for the Agreements section on the homepage and click on it. This is where you'll find all the documents that have been sent to you for signing. It's essentially your digital filing cabinet, organizing all your agreements in one place for easy access. After locating your document, it's time to sign it. Click on the Sign option next to the document you wish to complete. This action will prompt the document to open, presenting you with the areas that require your signature. DocuSign will guide you through where you need to apply your signature, initials, or any other required information. DocuSign's interface is designed to be intuitive, so you simply click on the designated signature boxes and use your mouse or touchpad to sign. If you've pre-saved a signature, it can be automatically applied, saving you even more time. Once everything's signed and you've double-checked that all required fields are filled out correctly, click the Finish button. And that's it. Your signed document is automatically saved and often sent back to the original sender seamlessly. You also have the option to download a copy for your records. Signing a document with DocuSign is as easy as that. It's designed to be efficient and secure, allowing you to handle documents from anywhere at any time. I hope this guide has been helpful and given you the confidence you need to manage your digital signatures. Thanks for watching and happy signing.